Welcome to the White Paper Series in Management Education by Skilled MBA. Today, we explore how the top 100 automotive companies in North America are evolving their environmental, social, and governance (ESG) reporting practices. The electrification of transport marks a significant shift toward cleaner energy and greater personal responsibility and sustainability. Our research aims to analyze ESG trends by examining sustainability reporting patterns among leading automotive firms, benchmark industry priorities to compare sustainability focus areas across major companies, inform stakeholders by highlighting reporting gaps and best practices, refine disclosure strategies to help companies improve their ESG reporting. This study covers four main aspects: reporting frameworks, evaluating the adoption of GRI, SASB, TCFD, and CDP standards. Environmental metrics, reviewing carbon emissions, energy usage, water conservation, and waste management. Emerging priorities, assessing EV supply chains, battery recycling, and circular economy models. Social and governance, looking at DEI initiatives and ethical labor sourcing. Key findings in ESG reporting include environmental. 80% of companies report Scope 1 and 2 emissions, but only 45% address Scope 3. Social. 70% have DEI programs, yet only 30% measure impact. Governance. 90% disclose board diversity, but only 40% align with global ethical standards. Electric mobility. Over 65% emphasize EV targets and charging infrastructure. Despite progress, challenges remain. Lack of standardization. Different frameworks limit comparability. Data gaps. Emissions reporting remains incomplete. Greenwashing risks. Claims often lack validation. Supply chain complexity. Ethical sourcing is difficult to track. To enhance ESG reporting, companies should adopt global standards, implement unified frameworks like GRI and TCFD, invest in ESG data systems, automate sustainability disclosures with robust technology, collaborate with suppliers, ensure end-to-end sustainability across the value chain, publish impact reports, move beyond compliance to share transformation stories. Engage stakeholders. Foster transparency through sustainability storytelling. This imagery represents individual impact, consumers influencing corporate ESG efforts. Clean energy transition. The shift towards EVs and personal sustainability choices. Connecting scales. Linking macro corporate strategies with everyday actions. For MBA students, this study offers industry transformation insights, understanding how ESG reporting is reshaping automotive strategy. Career skills, building expertise in sustainability analysis and investor communication. Market advantage, ESG fluency as a competitive edge in job markets. Educators can integrate this research into curriculum development, using ESG analysis in sustainability and strategy courses. Case study creation, developing real-world sustainability case studies. Research expansion, exploring ESG impact research opportunities. For industry professionals, this research supports talent identification, finding future leaders skilled in ESG reporting, knowledge exchange, sharing best practices between academia and business, innovation pipeline, accessing cutting-edge ESG applications. A closer look at environmental reporting. Carbon emissions. 80% report Scope 1 and 2, but Scope 3 remains underreported. Energy usage. 75% disclose renewable energy targets. Water conservation. 60% track water usage in production. Waste management. 55% implement circular economy initiatives. Key findings on social responsibility. 70% of companies have DEI programs. 30% measure their DEI programs' effectiveness. 45% implement ethical supply chain sourcing. 25% invest in community impact initiatives. Governance disclosures are evolving. 2020, basic ESG policies. 2023, greater board diversity disclosures. 2025, projected, fully integrated ESG frameworks. 65% of automotive companies now emphasize EV targets and charging infrastructure investments in their ESG reports. Current state: ESG reporting varies widely with significant gaps. Industry direction: standardization is increasing due to investor and regulatory pressure. Future outlook: ESG performance will soon be inseparable from business success. For long-term success, companies must integrate sustainability into core strategy, not just reporting. Thank you for joining the White Paper series in Management Education by Skilled MBA. We hope this research provides valuable insights into ESG reporting trends in the automotive industry.